Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decorations. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time, and don't forget to comment me which room decor you like. So let's start the video. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the walls and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see the roof, the floor and all, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the floor also wooden color theme floor. You can see the roof also very beautiful decoration. You can see, and also you can see the roof, the floor and all, and the glasses and all in the second floor, very beautiful. It's also very expensive modern room decoration. You can see the lights and all, the floor, the cupboards and all, very beautiful decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the lamp, the small bulb lamps and all. You can see very beautiful decoration. The floor also very beautiful, and also you can see the roof, beautiful lights and all, and the floor you can see wooden theme, very beautiful. The cotton also very beautiful decoration. This also you can see the roof, the floor, the bed. Backside you can see the backside very beautiful decoration. You can see the curve type decoration, very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the roof, the floor and all, white color floor and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see very good also, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, the floor, the wall, very beautiful wall and all, very beautiful decoration. The floor also black color floor and all, and the mirror very beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the wall, you can see the roof also very beautiful decoration. You can see, and very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, you can see mirror, the cupboard, you can keep your clothes and all, very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the roof, you can see the small bulbs, you can see very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, beautiful lights and all. You can see the mirror backside also very beautiful. You can see very beautiful decoration. It is looking very good. It's also you can see very beautiful. You can see the mirrors and all, and the lights and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. This one you can see the two lamps and the roof lights. You can see very beautiful lights and all, looking very expensive. And this also you can see the beautiful room decoration. You can see it is like in a swimming pool. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down. Don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you'll get the notification first. And which room decor, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.